Yo, what's up YouTube? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the DC Audio Pitbull 20K, the biggest amp that DC Audio has ever made to date. This thing is a monster, and I was going to do an unboxing video, but as you can see, it's already unboxed because I'm trying to give this away on my Facebook page. So if you're on Facebook, head over there, click on the link in the description, and head over there and enter before you can't enter anymore. So we're going to give this away on my Facebook. Maybe do a giveaway or something like that on YouTube here sometime soon as well. But anyway, let me flip this around. I'll show you this beast of an amplifier. If you'd like to get it, be sure to check it out on downforsoundshop.com. Let me flip this around and show it to you. All right, guys, so this is the DC Audio 20K. Hands down, the biggest amplifier that DC Audio has ever made. So the quality is amazing, as usual. They actually did Tiffany style RCA connections on here. So nice, so nice. Comes with the DC Audio Pitbull 20K owner's manual. I've seen this thing dynoed, and it definitely does over the rated RMS power. This thing is a beast of an amplifier. Anyway, enough with the manual. You're here to see the amplifier, right? So cruising on down through here at the Pitbull 20K right here on the end. What do you think about the name of it? Are you a fan of it or not so much? Pitbull 20K, 20,000 watts. We have triple power and grounds down here, and I have the back of it off, so I avoided the warranty. If you buy this, obviously you'll be fully covered under warranty. I already talked to Rusty at DC Audio, and he said that it wouldn't be a problem for whoever either wins this or orders this. They will be covered under warranty. So let me flip this over and I'll show you the guts of this beast in just a second. All right, so I'm gonna show you the inside or the guts of this amplifier, but don't forget, first, this comes with a handy dandy bass knob. Everybody has to have a bass knob, right? Has a clipping indicator. Everybody likes that. Helps you prolong the life of your subwoofers. Comes with the cable to hook up the bass knob. Also comes with the Allen keys, so you can hook your wires up to this amplifier. So let me do a little flyover of this beast. Very nice amplifier. Loving all the DC Audio logos. Has a fan. Very nice. Loving this amplifier. What do you think is this, being DC Audio's biggest amplifier to date? 20,000 watts RMS, what a beast. If you need anything, hit us up. We are your #1 source for DC Audio and much more. Don't forget, we have 3 different types of financing: Snap Finance, Bread Financing, and a SEMA financing now. So all of them have same as cash options for you to take advantage of, making it easier than ever for you to get an amplifier like this, so you can base out now and pay it back later over time. Let me know if you have any questions. Drop them in the comments below, or let me know in the comments what you think about this amplifier. This thing is a beast for sure. All right, we'll see you in the next video. This has been a tour of the DC Audio 20K Pitbull.